Wish distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord off.